In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a WordPress homepage easily and effectively. Let's jump right in. Start by opening the WordPress site editor and navigating to the home template. This brings you into the visual editor where you can change the look and content of your homepage without touching code. If you're ever unsure you're on the right page, check the breadcrumb at the top. It should indicate you're editing home within the template editor. Next, select Home in the editor to focus your changes on that page, then choose Edit Navigation. This opens controls for your site's menu so you can see exactly what visitors will click. Click on the Work menu item to inspect its settings and confirm it points to the right page. Then click on Services and do the same. You don't have to change anything here if it's already correct. The goal is to verify your primary links are accurate and in the order you want. Now click on Header. The header holds your logo, navigation, and sometimes buttons or spacers. Changes here appear across your site, so it's a good place to tidy up global elements. You'll see highlighted selections as you click. Use those highlights to drill into specific blocks. Click the highlighted area once, then again if needed to select a nested block, and once more to target the exact element you want to remove. When you've selected the unnecessary element, click Delete. If you see another highlighted placeholder or duplicate piece you don't need, select it, click, delete again, and keep the header clean and purposeful. Remember, you can undo at any time with the undo arrow or Ctrl+C+Z, so don't worry about experimenting. With clutter out of the way, click the plus button to open the inserter, then choose Patterns. Patterns are pre-designed sections you can drop in quickly, which keeps your design consistent. Filter by media to browse layouts that showcase images or videos. Perfect if your homepage needs a hero gallery, a testimonial with a photo, or a featured project strip. Even if you're just planning, this is a great way to see what's available before you commit. When you're satisfied, click Save. WordPress will show a summary of what's being updated. Click Save again to confirm. This ensures both your homepage and any template parts, like the header, are stored. Finally, click Launch to push your changes live. This makes your updated homepage visible to visitors. That's it. Streamlined navigation, a cleaner header, and a clear path to adding beautiful media sections. Save often, preview as you go,